Hey, good Monday evening, everyone. Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here, your updated forecast. We have high pressure building in this evening, leading to clearing skies, cooler conditions out there. It's going to be a crisp and cool night of weather across the area tonight, and a really nice forecast for much of this week. We are looking at a beautiful day tomorrow. Our next chance of any rain is not going to be a huge chance. It will come in as we go into late Wednesday. There could be a brief shower. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, the best chance to see a few showers come through, but we are not going to see much rain with this system at all. In fact, Thursday will clear things back out and keep those temperatures pretty cool as well, and then we'll see more widespread rain chances come by the time we get to the weekend. Here's your low temperature forecast tonight. We're expecting temperatures to drop to the lower 50s across the area. Skies will continue to be clear tonight. Winds will start to calm down. High pressure doing its thing, leading to those cool temperatures out there. This nice, cool Canadian-like air mass coming in. Temperatures tomorrow in the upper 70s for the high, so we'll warm up a good bit with that sunshine. It's going to be just a beautiful day tomorrow. Tomorrow would be by far the pick of the week, the best day of the whole forecast. Wednesday, pretty nice as well, but late in the day we'll have a chance to see maybe a brief shower, mainly Wednesday night, but this is not a big deal. It's not even a guarantee, and we're not going to see much rain at all with that system, so not a big deal midweek with that rain chance. Thursday, we'll clear things back out, become quite breezy. Look at that wind forecast Thursday, and temperatures only in the mid to upper 60s for the high. So we have a very, very cool day coming on Thursday. And as we go into the weekend, there's your increasing rain chance as the temperatures and humidity will start to come up just a bit. We'll increase those rain chances pretty high on Saturday as of now. We'll lower those chances Sunday and Monday, but that forecast will require some fine-tuning as we get closer. So thank you guys for checking out this forecast update. Hope you guys enjoy the great weather the next several days.